Andrew Holness's successes shame Markie G. Mark Golding mad sick head no good arwa. Huh? Hello again, my people. It's Kaiwaka. The coffee says speak again. Whenever you smell the coffee, it's reality. A pure joke a come from Markie G's side. Idiocies can be so funny at times. And the funniest thing in this is that I have to tell the truth because you know what I always say about truth. The only way to tell the truth is not with tact. That is complicating it. The easiest way to get the truth across as what it is will simply be to tell it just like it is. The truth can be feisty at times, Marco. So, if me sound feisty, remember say I know me. And the truth says so, isn't it? Alright, alright. My beloved Jamaicans, today me and my coffee gathered all alone by me and my coffee self to celebrate the resilience and achievements of our Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, in the face of relentless propaganda and lies. Despite the challenges and the negative narratives, Holness has managed to steer Jamaica toward prosperity and progress. I had to shake my head at the ironies and humor that make our political landscape both serious and entertaining. I was musing over the fact that when Dayton Campbell works against the JLP, he really helps the JLP well. In fact, I doubt the JLP would be doing so well at this point without Dayton Campbell's help. Remember the great tax debate? Do you remember that? Although Crawford forced him to that higher level of stupidity, which really boosted Andrew Holness' progress in the political campaign. Mark Golding, the leader of the opposition, has been a master of contradictions. One moment he criticizes the government's handling of the economy and taxes, and the next he praises the economic growth. It's like watching a comedy show where the punchline is always a flip flop. Remember, his speeches where he proposed solutions that only led to more taxes and higher cost of living. It's ironic how his attempts to undermine wholeness only highlights his own inconsistencies. And I use that word for stupidity because I am a very generous man. But you know what I mean. These men are on the cuckoo side, you know. Any psychiatrist will tell you. Anytime you hear brr, 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 you know that it's cuckoo business. Cuckoo man is in the house. Call Dr. Fire. I mean Dr. Sapphire. He needs to go to where they can help him. Yes, he needs to go to where they can help him, but not in our parliament about brr 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 brr. Cause it no look good, isn't it? It no look good. And when it comes to shooting oneself in the foot because of cuckoo, in fact, when it comes to shooting down the entire Rise United pain without the Panadol P party, Dayton Campbell has some of the greatest hits. I can imagine the day he was telling the British man Golding to go chain up a black Rasta man in Jamaica and it will shoot up his numbers. That was the first thing that shut down Golding's numbers and shut up the entire PNP camp. Just imagine that. That's what they call friendly fire in war times, right? Dayton, Dayton, friendly fire Campbell. You worked for that new name, so take it. It's free. It fits you, right? Yeah, man, it fit you. Free of cost. Dayton Campbell, the PNP's loose cannon and mouthpiece, always finds the hits. He wants to rub out Andrew so bad, and that's why he plays his antics and rub out Markie G. And, and he has his bad man friends to make Andrew know to SYM too. Although the church always loves to run behind these Rise United Pain P thugs, I don't think they would ever be pleased with this one. Mm-mm. I don't think even their church allies would be pleased with this one. They had their poor Christian brother Andrew all alone fighting demons with only his Bible for so long because they were on the side of the demons. Dayton's fiery speeches and outrageous statements have become a spectacle in Jamaican politics. From the infamous tax speech to the incitation of slurs in St. Anne's that ticked off the gangster friends to say SYM, Campbell never fails to stir the pot. It's almost as if the JLP looks forward to his appearances, knowing that his words will work in their favor. His antics provide a mix of seriousness and comedy that keeps us all entertained. Look, him soon come on the screen. Look at that dumbfounded face. Look now. Look, man. Just look. You see, that Nathan Campbell you're looking at, and that never they bring crowd as saying, no, it was Chilani, for block the passage of the JLP supporters, I remember, him no have no horse in a race, because for him party never did a contest the by elections. But him care me don't know how him find so much crowd, Them he must spend a lot of money. Him bring the crowd down, they say I love. And then when the JLP people them they try pass the crowd, them come and block their way and taunt them and jeer them out of love. Hmm? You want to lose a cannon than Dayton Campbell? Eh? Why you think him bring the crowd for? To black them pass and jeer them, and that I love. Imagine that. Despite the opposition's best efforts to paint a negative picture with their propaganda and lies, judges turn grudges and chain gangs from here to media houses. Andrew Holness continues to achieve remarkable results. His administration has focused on reducing taxes, promoting economic growth, and improving infrastructure, but not on putting chains on anyone, though. Mm-mm. Markie G. Bittergal, Artim, bitter, bitter, bitter. The irony is that while the opposition spread lies and propaganda, Holness' actions speak louder than words. His achievements in reducing unemployment, stabilizing the economy, and developing social programs are a testament to his leadership and resilience. So, while Mark Golding was leading a chain gang and their chainee, Andrew Holness was working for Jamaica. That's the idea. That's what we are here for. Politics in Jamaica can often feel like a dramatic comedy series, from Mark Golding's contradictory statements to Dayton Campbell's outrageous remarks. There's never a dull moment. It only goes to show that even in the dullest moments, dumb people will give you laughter. Ah, yeah, isn't it? Holness administration has managed to bring about prosperity despite the opposition's attempts to undermine him. The focus on economic stability, infrastructure development, and social programs has had a positive impact on the lives of many Jamaicans. It's ironic how the opposition's negative narratives only serve to highlight Holness' achievements. Let's celebrate the progress and prosperity that Jamaica has achieved under his leadership. More coffee, more reality. While the political landscape in Jamaica is full of ironies and humor, this is serious business. It is not a joke. Ma Golding has got to go. Time come for him to come out of our parliament and go on a yard at England. Make we go and fight for our true independence by ourselves. He doesn't care about that because it's not his concern. Despite the challenges and the negative narratives, Andrew Holness has managed to steer the country towards prosperity. But what does Mark want? He wants to come, hijack Jamaica, and lead it up inside the cow's butthole again. For that's what Omar Davis taught him to do. That's all Omar Davis knew to teach him, ain't it? And we can't let him come here and do that. He said his party will lead Jamaica in the right direction. And then he said that he did not really know the right direction because he has to research how to manage cost of living in Jamaica now. For Wholeness embarrass him with corrections. Wholeness was correcting him and he got all of them wrong. Not even one hook stick. People, a barber must learn how to be a barber before he becomes a barber. Andrew Holness is working to manage cost of living without raising taxes and making it worse. Mark, Mark, we have somebody who learned to do it already. So you go on home, alright? We don't want to upset you, make you burr pawi. So go on home, come out of we yard, take sleep and mark that my people. Peace out. Peace out.